are talking about how to write a self-help book. There are an easy guide. Know your audience. When you are confused about how to write a self-help book, think about your audience. When writing any kind of non-fiction, it's essential to understand your target audience. It will not only assist you in marketing your book, but it will also serve as the inspiration for its design and support its quality writing. Therefore, consider who will benefit most from the information in your book. Share the problems. Determine the specific components of their problem. For example, you're having trouble raising your kids, you know it, and conventional parenting techniques aren't helping. When you've determined your main issue, make it clear in the book's title, subject, or description so that readers can immediately determine that it's written for them. Provide solutions. After discussing your problem, bring up the solution and lesson you wanted the audience to understand and learn. Provide takeaways for your readers so that they must have learned something and your self-help book has actually helped them. The primary key is to captivate the reader in your writing. Because the best self-help books are those from which readers get help. Along with that, they learn